Baby, look at this.
Wow.
Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, I have a question for your girlfriend.
Okay.
So, Nne, if they give you 100 million or your boyfriend, which one will you take?
Hmm. I'll choose my boyfriend.
Wow, guys, wait. Why will you choose your boyfriend? This is 100 million we are talking about.
I love my boyfriend so much. What's there to choose 100
Yes,
million?
Madam Cherugo, that's right. So wait, if they keep 100 million and keep your boyfriend, you will choose who?
I will choose you, baby, of course. I love you so much
Wait,
now.
I'm the boyfriend. Wait, you will choose me and leave 100 million. It's
Baby, why
over.
are you like
Wait,
You so
baby,
you
wait.
want me to die in poverty?
she
No,
loves
no,
you,
baby,
that's
baby,
why.
come. Okay, oh yeah,
Come.
come. Baby, come. Okay, come. I'll choose the 100 million.
Wow.
Ah, baby, why are you like this now?
So if they leave you, you will choose me over 100 million.
But
You are the woman my mother said I should avoid.
hey,
Will
baby,
I even choose myself? No, ask me if I will choose myself. Can you imagine?
Sorry, it has
babe,
not
it's
come
okay
to
now. It
that.
hasn't gotten to that
Yes.
now.
But, sir, if they give you 100 million or your
They
girlfriend,
don't need to give me 100 million. They just need to give me one plate of food, one plate of jollof rice. I will choose it over her. As simple as that. Onye do my first. Onye do my first.
that is one plate of indomie you will choose and leave your girlfriend.
Even without meat. Mahaba.
Baby,
Eh?
so Indomie is better than I.
It's over.
Your boyfriend don't love you. Sorry.
Hey, God.